Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We have brought you an strange topic of wonder today. What is Psithurism? So have you ever wondered what is Psithurism? What language does the word Psithurism come from? What other interesting words are inspired by nature? All of these questions will be answered in this video. Make sure you watch it till the end. Do you enjoy the changing of the seasons? While some people prefer warm weather and sunshine all year, others prefer to watch new leaves sprout, grow, and then fall to the ground as the seasons change. As summer gives way to fall and fall gradually gives way to winter, the leaves on the trees change colors, shrivel, and eventually fall off their branches to float to the ground below. On windy autumn days, the rustling of the leaves almost sounds musical. Hiking in the forest in the fall can be a magical experience. As the wind whistles through the pines and the leaves crunch beneath your feet, your worries fade away for a moment as you listen to the wind's melodies in the trees. The sounds of wind in the trees and leaves rustling have enchanted so many people throughout history that they have their own word to describe them: Psithurism. The P at the beginning of Psithurism, like many other words beginning with PS, is silent, and the word is pronounced as Psithurism. The term Psithurism is derived from the Greek word Psithurus, which means whispering. That certainly fits with the sound of wind blowing through trees. Psithurism has inspired many writers and poets throughout the history. When it comes to Psithurism, one tree in particular appears to have been a favorite of many naturalists: the pine. Pines, according to naturalist John Muir, are mighty waving golden rods, even in tune, singing and writing wind music all their long century lives. In his poem A Day of Sunshine, American poet Henry Wadsworth Longfellow described Psithurism as, "I hear the wind among the trees, playing celestial symphonies. I see the branches downward bent, like keys of some great instrument." However, Psithurism isn't the only word inspired by nature. The English language is rife with terms that attempt to capture the unique phenomena we encounter in the natural world around us. Have you ever gone outside right after it rains and noticed a distinct earthy smell? That smell is known as petrichor. Petrichor was coined in 1964 by Australian researchers writing for Nature magazine, and it is derived from the Greek words petros, which means stone, and ichor, which means water, the blood-like liquid found in the veins of Greek gods. If you like unusual words, there are plenty more to choose from. Apricity and moonglade are two more of our favorites. Apricity means the warmth of the sun in winter, and moonglade means the track of moonlight shining on water. So that was our today's wonder. Do let us know in the comment section what you think about it. If you like this video, please share it in your circle. To support us, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you in the next video. Bye for now.